Hello everyone. Hope everybody is in good shape and are having loads of ideas flowing around them. Today we're going to discuss about blockchain. Yep. Why I choose this topic to discuss? It's pretty simple. I came across many users who were still confused about the terms related to blockchain, the meaning of blockchain itself. What do you mean by hash ID? What is the difference between a wallet ID or wallet address and a Bitcoin address, and so on. So I thought, let's give it a go, make a video where I can try to explain all these terms and be a part of simplifying the processes of many users. Right. So moving on to the presentation, I named it as blockchain, a short study about crypto wallet. First thing first, let's try to understand what you mean by blockchain, the basic one. A blockchain is nothing but a digital transaction made by Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, which are recorded in a sequence or in an order of time. What I'm trying to say is, whenever we do a transaction, that means if you're sending bitcoins or any other cryptocurrency, or we are receiving the Bitcoin, these are the types of transactions, and these transactions are recorded in particular code, and that code is processed right in a sequence. What type of sequence? That sequence is placed according to the time of creation. Okay, that's why I said in order of time here. Okay, pretty simple to understand what is blockchain. Let's move forward and try to understand what you mean by wallet or wallet ID. As the name implies itself, it is a digital wallet used to store or hold Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. A wallet identifier, which we lovingly call it as wallet ID, acts as a username to a particular wallet created. Okay, so wallet ID we can say is similar to an email address. The way we use an email address as a username to a particular user, here in blockchain or in the world of cryptocurrencies, a wallet ID acts as a username to a particular wallet created. Okay, the third term is Bitcoin address. What is it? It's a unique address used to send or receive Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Now, do not get confused between wallet ID and Bitcoin address. While creating a user ID, sorry, while creating a wallet ID live, I will try to simplify the meaning of wallet ID and Bitcoin address by differentiating between them. Okay, so let's understand what you mean by hash ID here, the very important one. Hash ID, I can say, is a specific type of code used to identify or look up at a particular transaction of Bitcoin blockchain. Well, it is nothing but a type of token. Whenever we go into a bank, we are being given a token for our transaction, and we wait into the queue till the particular person in the bank it calls us that token number two, token number three. Right. For example, the same way hash ID is allocated to a particular transaction uh, to look up at a particular transaction of Bitcoin blockchain. I'll try to show you where we can find the hash ID and how to identify a particular hash ID for a particular transaction. Okay, let's move forward. Why people choose blockchain? Why many of the users around the world, maybe it is a fresher or an expert of Bitcoins or any other cryptocurrency, why they prefer blockchain? Okay, they prefer blockchain because of these three reasons. They are security, faster transactions, and low fees. What blockchain offers you with these three basic concepts, which I think everyone will agree. Everyone needs this. Everyone needs their account to be secured. Everyone wants their transactions to be processed faster. And yes, on top, they want all these transactions to be processed with low fees. And this is all what blockchain is offering. Okay, so let's move forward and try to see how we can open an account with the blockchain. Okay, we have to jump on this blockchain.info website here. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's go on to the Explorer. Okay, let's type down blockchain.info. Right, this is the main screen of the website here. Okay, you see this, these are the latest blocks. We can see these are the latest transactions, or the not the transactions, sorry, the blocks of the blockchain, where the bitcoins or the cryptocurrency is created by various pools around the world. Okay, this is our destination here. It says wallet here, right? Let's click on this one. Okay, this page will pop up. Okay, I like this line: simple, seamless, and secure. Right, too simple to define the blockchain itself. All right, you got two options on your right side: login and sign up. Those who are new users and want to create a wallet with blockchain, just sign up. Click on sign up. This window, you will have to fill up your email, your desired password, confirm the password, and click on the terms and services to be accepted. Click on continue, and you will be having a new wallet ID created, which will be sent to you through email. Okay, once this process is done, you can then log in. Okay, click here, and this will give you a window which says wallet ID. Okay, don't get confused between wallet ID and Bitcoin address. I'm repeating one more time: wallet ID is like your email address. All right, just to simplify the understanding, I'm saying wallet ID is like your email address. So you gotta enter your wallet ID, which has been sent to you when you created the account, to your email address. Just copy from there, paste it here, enter your password which you have set while creating the account, and hit enter. Okay, right, this is the main page, this is the main dashboard of your wallet. Okay, on the left side you got the menu to navigate through the website. Okay, on the main page you will see the recent activities you have done. Right, on the right side you will see the balance here of your wallet. Okay, and here onto the left side it will say send and request. It will give you these two options. Okay, so you can send by clicking send bitcoins here, by clicking on the send button, and you can request or receive bitcoins by clicking on this button. Okay, let's see what happens when you click send. Okay, when you click send, this window will pop up where you have to enter the receiver's Bitcoin address. Okay, now don't get confused between wallet ID and Bitcoin address. I'm repeating again. Okay, I'll show you an example of Bitcoin address pretty soon. Just concentrate on what I'm trying to explain here. When you click send, it will ask you for the Bitcoin address to whom you have to send the Bitcoins. Paste here, enter the amount you want to send. Okay, and then it will calculate the fees here. If you want a regular transaction to be processed, click on regular. If you want to be the transaction to be prioritized, you can click on priority, and it will change the fees accordingly. All right, this is the fees being charged. Yeah, it is a bit higher, but most of the time you will get pretty low fees as well. Okay, after filling up all this information, you can just click continue, and boom, your bitcoins has been sent to the desired destination. All right, in the same fashion, if you want to request bitcoin, somebody is sending you bitcoin, you will have to share your bitcoin address to them. So where you will get the bitcoin address, you will get it from here. Just click on request, and here, see this one, the series of numbers and alphabets. This is called Bitcoin address. Okay, so this is used to send and receive, sorry, this is used to receive the Bitcoins. Okay, and this will be needed when you are sending someone. You will be needed of this Bitcoin address of that particular user whom you want to send the Bitcoin. Okay, so in this case, when you click request, okay, this is your Bitcoin address. Now you will have to share this Bitcoin address with the user so that they can send the amount to this address. Okay, you have to copy this one here and just send it to whoever you are trying to send. Okay, all right, let's go into the transactions. You can click on Bitcoin here and it will show you all the transactions which you have made. Okay, the green ones are the received transactions and the red ones are the sent transactions. Okay, okay, moving on to the next part. Let's try to figure out where we can find the hash ID. Okay, click on this arrow onto the left side. Okay, this says transaction confirmed. Okay, whenever a particular transaction is confirmed, it says transaction confirmed. Okay, and if it is not confirmed, it will highlight you, it will blur out the transaction like this, and it will mention here in front of the transaction as pending. Okay, this one is pending and the confirmed ones are pretty much dark in color. Okay, so if you see this one, pending transaction, it requires three confirmations from the blockchain. Okay, it requires three confirmations to get confirmed. All these other transactions, whether it has been sent or received, have been confirmed. If you see this one, this is confirmed. That's why you got a message here with a very pretty much green correct sign saying transaction confirmed. And if you see this one, it says pending, 0 of 3 confirmations. So okay, a minimum of one confirmation is required for any transactions to start the confirmation process. All right, okay, let's find out where we can get the hash ID. All right, so when you click this particular transaction, it will drop down and you will see the status, and just onto the left side of the status it says verify on blockchain info. Okay, click this icon and it will pop up a window where it will show you the details of that particular transactions. Okay, this page is having our hash ID, and if you see this heading here, this series of alphabets and numbers is called hash ID. Okay, this is your recognition for this particular transaction. Okay, this is called hash ID. All right, let's understand in our presentation. See this one, similar window here. This is called hash ID. Okay, below it is the Bitcoin address of the sender, and on to the right side here it is the Bitcoin address of the receiver. All right, simple to understand. Okay, the top one is the hash ID, below it is the Bitcoin address of the sender, and on the right side is the receiver's Bitcoin address. All right, okay, let's go back to our live site here. Okay, in this case, this is the hash ID. I'm repeating it many times because I want all the users to understand how and where to find the hash ID. Okay, now the second point I want to concentrate on is that while selecting the hash ID or while copying that particular hash ID, many of us make mistakes. What is the mistake? We try to manually select the complete hash ID. Okay, just like this. Okay, see this one. Okay, we try to select the hash ID using the old fashioned or the old techniques. Okay, what happens in this is while doing so we might miss out some of the alphabets or numeric numbers in this hash ID. Because of that, Wherever we share this hash ID to get our transaction confirmed, we will be sharing the half hash ID only because we missed out some of the digits and alphabets. Okay, if we do this using the old methodology. Okay, you will ask what is the new method then. Okay, keep your life simple. Okay, just click twice onto the right side and the complete hash ID will get selected. I repeat, keep your life simple. Just click twice onto the right side of your hash ID like this and it gets selected. Now we can just copy and share wherever you are your hash ID to be shared to confirm a particular transaction or anywhere else. All right. So what we studied today is how we can find out the hash ID, what is the difference between a wallet ID, what is the difference between a Bitcoin address, where we use the Bitcoin address, how to get the hash IDs, how to select the hash IDs properly. All right. Okay. And I'm just repeating this window so that you understand one more time. This is the hash ID here, and below it is the Bitcoin address of the sender, and on the right side is the Bitcoin address of the receiver. All right. Hope um I have made all the simple terms and concepts of blockchain cleared. I hope I have answered all the questions. I hope I have tried to explain the main point of hash ID, where we can find it out, how we can select, what are the precautions we need to make sure while selecting the hash ID. If anything is missing out, I will request all the viewers just drop down the questions into the comment and I'll try to answer all those as fast as I can. Till that time, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep learning.